Welcome to Scriptlearners. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to discuss a very interesting problem that was asked in the HCL coding interview round. The interview was based on Spring Boot, Hibernate, REST APIs, and core Java concepts. In this video, we will be covering the coding part only. If you want the complete interview experience, please let us know by commenting down below. Okay, so before jumping into the problem, I request you guys to please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. We create awesome interview preparation related videos on regular basis. Make sure to check out our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. So let's discuss the problem. So here is the problem statement. You have been provided with an array ARR of length n which contains single digit values at each index. Your responsibility is to find the product of all elements in the array and then return the sum of the digits in the resulting product. Okay, so let's understand this problem with the help of one example. So let's consider this test case 1. So here we have given n, that is the size of array, and the array values. So what we have to do is we have to calculate the product of all the values present in the array. Then we have to do the sum of the digits of that result. Okay, so here you can see the product of all these digits is 60,480. So at last what we have to do is we have to calculate the sum of digits present in this number. So the sum of digits is 18. If we add 6, 4 and 8, obviously 0 will not impact anything, so the result will be 18. So hope you understood this problem. Now let's discuss the implementation part. How are we going to solve this problem? So first what we will do, we will simply create a variable, let's say int product. Then what we're going to do, we can simply calculate the product of all the numbers present in the array. We can simply do that by creating a for loop. Okay, and simply updating our variable with the ith value. Okay, so we'll initialize it with 1, not with 0, because if we initialize this with 0, then it will not update, because if we multiply anything with 0, the result will be 0 itself. That's why we'll initialize it with 1. Okay, so we have successfully calculated the product here. After that, what we're going to do, we have to calculate the sum of the product, or sum of the digits present in the product. So how we can do that? We'll create one more variable here, int sum. We'll initialize it with 0. Now what I'm going to do, we'll simply create a while loop and check whether product is greater than 0. Now in every iteration, what we'll do, we'll add the last value of the product every time. Like in first iteration, we're gonna add 0, then we're gonna add 8, then we're gonna add 4, and so on. So how we can do that? So I will calculate the sum, and then what I'll do, I will calculate the remainder by dividing it by 10, dividing product by 10. So by doing so, we can get the last digit. If you will divide 60,480 by 10, you will get 0. Okay, that is the last digit. Then what we'll do, we'll update the product. Okay, product by dividing it by 10. So now in second iteration, product has become 6,048. Okay, So this time again we'll check if product is greater than 0. Yes, it is. Then we'll again update the sum with product n%. Sorry, we'll check the remainder. So this time the remainder will be 8. Okay, and we'll update the product again by dividing it by 10. Now product has become 604. This time the remainder will be 4. Okay, and then we again update the product by dividing it by 10, and so on. This is how we'll get our sum. So hope you understood the basic crux here, the basic algorithm that we're gonna follow. Now let's jump into the coding part. So I will create a new class here real quick. I will name it as HCL interview, and I'll also select the public static void main here. That is our main method. Okay, now let me import the required packages. Import java.util. So guys, we have created a detailed video on what is public static void main. It is a very important interview question. So make sure to watch that video. I'll paste the link in the top right corner in the I button. Make sure to check it out. Okay, so let me create the scanner class object by initializing SC, and I'll do new scanner. I'll pass system.in. Now what I will do, I will create a new variable that is int n, and I'll take the input from user by sc dot next int. Now I will create an array. New int, and I'll pass the size here. Okay, so we got the size. Now let's take the input into the array. I'll create a for loop I less than n I plus plus, and I'll take the input into the array. So we have successfully taken the input from user. Now what I will do, I will create one more method. Let me declare it as static, and I'll name it as result. I'll pass two arguments here. One is int n and the other one is the array. Okay, so as discussed earlier, let's create the variable product. Okay, and one more variable int sum, and initialize it with 0. As of now, let's return 0 so that we don't get this error. So first calculate the product. I will initialize a for loop. I will calculate the product by updating product every time. Okay, with multiplying it with the element present, the ith index. So we have successfully calculated the product here. Now what I will do, I will create a while loop, and I'll check if product is greater than 0. If it is, then simply update the sum with, or I can also do this, this is a shortcut, with product. Okay, we'll get the remainder here using the percent sign, and now I'll update the product divide by 10. Cool. Now we'll return the sum here as we have calculated the sum as mentioned in the problem statement. Let me do the formatting real quick. Let me call the function here. Output, and we'll call the function result and pass the parameters, that is n and array. Okay, so let's try to run this. Yeah, so let's test this with the help of first test case. So here the n is 6, the values are, let me copy these from here. So yeah, you can see the output is 18 here. Yes, it is correct. Let's also try this with the second test case. So here, like uh, in the input, we have taken 2 digits number also. Meanwhile, in the problem statement, it was mentioned that we have to use the single digits. So please ignore that. It won't affect the logic here. It will work properly on both of the scenarios. So no need to worry about that. So here the n is 8 and these are the values. So we got the output here 36. Yeah, that is correct. So hope you like this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe our channel, guys. Uh, you will get the latest interview experiences on regular basis and many more things. I'll drop the link of this question in the comment box. Make sure to check it out. You can also visit our beautiful website that we have created. Here you can get latest job updates and interview experiences of many companies. And you can also join our Telegram channel. Here we post the job opportunities on regular basis. So that's all, guys. Thank you. Please also check out our previous videos which we have created. Thank you.